Hello dear friends, welcome to my channel Ganguly's Culinary. Today I will show you how to prepare original cheese chili toast. It is very easy recipe and gets ready very easily. If you want to impress anybody with your cooking skill, then this is the perfect recipe. With melted cheese and crispiness, its taste is fantastic. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. Now let's start. Add 1 teaspoon green chilli, 2 teaspoon chopped capsicum, 1 teaspoon coriander, half teaspoon chopped garlic. Now the main ingredients, which is cheese. I have used processed cheese, no need to use mozzarella cheese. You can also use jalapeno, but this is optional. Now little bit of butter. Butter is very important in cheese chili toast. So do not ignore it. Butter helps it to become creamy. Now mix all the ingredients. Add 1 teaspoon tomato and mix it well. In this mixture, do not add onion, else the mixture will become liquid. The mixture will look like this. This is the original mixture of cheese chili toast. Now I will toast 4-piece bread from both sides. Now put the mixture in the bread. Leave some margin as it will spread due to butter. If you are non-vegetarian, you can add egg yolk instead of butter. Now put the bread in a pan. Cover it for 2 to 4 minutes in a medium flame or till the cheese melts. Original cheese chili toast is ready. Cut the toast diagonally. Serve it in a plate. You can add tomato ketchup also. If you like this cheesy and delicious recipe, please subscribe my channel and share this recipe with your friends.